Hi folks, today's theme is train the brain. So we've got a fun pattern, as you can imagine, for you today. It looks like this. The lead between the left and the right so that we can train our brain. And we've got a nice simple melody happening. So we're playing 7, 7, 6, 6, 5, 5, 5. Then the second time around it just starts a little bit higher. 8, 8, 7, 7, 6, 6, 6. But in between, we've got this little arpeggio happening. So, we've got this ding, 2, 3, and then because my right hand has just played, my left is going to come all the way over for that strike on the 7, right? And then we're also creating a groove here at the same time. 3 different things to think about. We've got an arpeggio, we've got a melody, and we've got a groove. So right after that 7, we're going to slap, or we can knock, whatever you like the sound of. That's a little bit softer, maybe I'll knock. So we've got ding, ding, 2, 3, 7, knock, 7. Finish off that little part of the pattern, we're just going to work back the way down that chord, like so. Right? Ding, 2, 3, 7, knock, 7, 3, 2. Nice. We play that again. But this time, instead of playing the 7, we play the 6. Same idea again, but instead of the 6, the 5. Okay, so now we have this. 1 time on each melody part. For 6, now 5, 5 again, but we stop on 5, and that's because we're going to leave a little bit of space so that we can recenter, and then we're going to swap the lead to the left hand on note 1. Same idea again, but now we're creating a different chord shape. So we're playing left, right, left, 1, 3, 4. So we've gone from this to this, right? And instead of starting on 7, we're going to start on 8. And this time it will be with the right hand. Yeah? We have to reach all the way over for that 8 there. And now the knock is going to be with the left hand. So everything's backwards. And then we work the way back down again. Like so. So then we're going to move from 8 to 7 to 6. So it's the same idea, 3 notes again, but this time we're a little bit higher up. So that will look like this. Now 7. Now 6. Oops, I'm playing the wrong note. Let's try that again for me. Here we go. Now 7. Now 6. next 6. Now we're back to the beginning. This is leading with the right. Here comes the stop. Reset. Now we're leading with the left. Here comes the stop. Reset, right hand on the ding. Starting on note 7 for that melody. Reset for the left on note 1, up to note 8. Reset. Reset. And this is really nice when you get it just a little bit faster, like this. So yeah, have a play with that and see if you can find some different melodies to me. Move it around a bit, explore, have fun, and yeah, happy training. But I like this because we are training the brain, we're practicing those different things, but at the same time, we're just making a nice, beautiful, meditative melody. If you need to see that written down, if that would be helpful for you, you can find the notation for this on Patreon. Or if you just want to support the project, that would be appreciated. Thank you. Otherwise, I'll see you tomorrow.